All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So likely. Likely. 51% plus. Likely. Yeah. A chance to happen. It is a likely story. Yeah. That is the likely route we will take. That way. Yeah. Those are the most likely people to win. How cool is that? Yeah. Those were the likely ways he went. Those were the likely ways he went. That way, this way. Likely. Yeah. Most likely went that way. Most, adverb. Likely, adjective, way. How cool is that? I likely took that route. Yeah. That was a likely path. Yeah. It was likely. Anything that was likely the fastest. No. It was likely my route. Okay. It is a likely plan. What we're going to do? We need a plan. It could work. It's a likely plan because it's more than 50%. How cool is that? Do you think he will be a likely challenger? Well, he might win. He might not win. Bit of both. Not so sure. She is the likely winner. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. They are the likely losers. So she's the likely winner and they are the likely losers. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So likely. Likely to happen, a chance to happen, 51% plus. The likely route, the likely shirt I'll wear, the likely suspenders that I always use. How cool is that? But can you use likely in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or simply Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.